Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm super excited because I get to share with you my haul video from the TPC sale for October. I've got a few different companies here. I'm going to run through them kind of quick. This one is Itty Bitty Sticker Co. and this was the collaboration between all of these fabulous sticker shops. They're all mentioned at the top here, so if you're curious about who was in the collaboration, when you pick up the kit it will tell you everybody that's in there. And I got a whole bunch of freebies here. So I bought two, one to hoard and one to use. So it comes with the glitter covers, which is here, and then these are the full boxes, and I'm going to set it down so that you can see all the artwork. So here's all of the little characters from the companies that collaborated on this kit. So here's me. There's Pip and Morty. My favorite is this look right here. I love that. That reminds me of my daughter. And this, look at, he's so stinking cute. I love this whole kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. And these are all full boxes so that you can up, top, across the whole top, you can put it across the bottom, and there's enough here to last you for 2 weeks, so you have plenty to pick from. And then there's a ton of boxes that go with it. So these are all boxes. Some trackers. You've got your washi and some more boxes. I did that, don't pay attention to that. And then date covers. You got 2 sets of date covers here. So you've got plenty to play with this kit, a couple weeks worth. And then I'm going to just kind of quickly go through the freebies that came. So this is Planning with Manny freebie, Itty Bitty Sticker Co. freebie, Sticker Patch, Kaylee's Creations, Design Ski, Gold Paper Prints, more Itty Bitty Sticker Co. And this is like a vinyl, love it. And then Nerds the Word. So since I'm finishing with Nerds the Word, I'm going to show you my Nerds the Word. Nerd is. I keep saying is, not is. Nerds the Word sticker co. So I ordered the Done 5x7 sticker book. This is what it looks like. Very excited that I got this. I love it. And it's, like I said, it's the 5x7. I don't actually have a 5x7 sticker book, so I was super excited to get my hands on this. And then I got this one here. I already used one because I had that kind of a day and I couldn't wait. So Not Today Satan was necessary for my planner. This is the freebie sheet, which matches this one. Look at that. Oh, cute. So cute. And then I got the s'mores full kit. So here are just the artwork is just so cute. I just think it's so adorable. This is so me. This is me. More full boxes with this adorable little couple right there. Date covers, all that goodies. Check boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes. If you are a no white space planner, all the kits that I've ordered here, my gosh. You could totally be a no white space planner person with these kits. So that right there is Nerds the Word Sticker Co. Absolutely fabulous. What's next? Let's do Planning with Manny. So Planning with Manny, I ordered a lot of stuff here because I wanted to try out their Mega Plus kit. So I got a Mega Plus Pumpkin Spice kit in here. I've got some of the Manny Bucks, which is like the Starbucks Manny Bucks. Super cute. Fall Bucket List and a sunflower one. This is part of the Sunny's Sunflower Farm. And this is your dashboard. I think I'll just be happy today. Love that. Bucket List. This is in no particular order because I've been rifling through it and dying to use it, so I've been looking at everything. This is my fall bucket list, which has been ruined by the weather. We went from 70 to 20 and a foot of snow, so my fall bucket list has been ruined, but I'm going to use it. I'm still going to use it. I don't care. I don't care what the weather is like. Can't take fall from me. Washies. Super cute. Love this. This is my favorite right here at the bottom. I'm a pumpkin spice girl, if you can't tell. I'm just going to show you these. They're, like I said, no particular order. This is just this pumpkin spice pack. Mega Plus pack. There's a drop-down box that you can pick. Ooh, I love this one. I just noticed it. Shop spent, shipped, arrived. I love that. Perfect. Anyway, drop-down box where you can pick just a regular kit, Mega Plus. Mega Plus comes with a ton of die cuts, which you'll see here in a minute. I got a ton of die cuts because I love to, my TN has pockets and I love to decorate the pockets. More of the kit. I love these date covers. They're absolutely fabulous. Such a good job. pumpkin spice so I can be nice, and then a ton, a ton of die cuts. Here they are. I'm just gonna let you see them. So cute. I like this one. He's just adorable. He makes me want to have a golden retriever. I have a German Shepherd, and she's adorable. She's getting old, so this is quite the struggle. She loves to stick her head out the window, but getting her into the car, so we have a Jeep, is I gotta pick her up, and she is not a skinny Shepherd. She's a big old girl. So picking her up and putting her in the Jeep is quite the chore, but she loves having her head sticking out the window, so like that. This is very, very cute watering can and more. Like I said, there are a ton of die cuts in here. I could be decorating lots of planners. Here are the little freebies that came. So this is more of, you already saw this one, I think, in the freebies pile. Here's another one, which has a lot of the movies. Look at him. I love that. So cute. Next TPC sale on there. I used Kim when I checked out, and this is her freebie. And the reason why I used Kim is this right here. Choose happy. I love that. I need an actual die cut sticker of that. Then you've got another die cut with the Christmas. More die cuts. The Sunny Sunflower Hobo Kit actually came in this, and I want to use this in my planner, so I'll show it to you. It's a little pocket, which I thought was so adorable. So I'm going to try to figure out how to fit that in my planner. Christmas, more Christmas. This is all like the movie themed stuff, which is adorable. And some full boxes of that same artwork. Little fall banner. Here's Manny Bucks. Had to have him. And then the Manny Buck stickers. I love the planner. And this, I love these right here. I think they're adorable. That's that. And then this is the Hobonichi Kit. This right here is the Hobo Kit page with your date covers and your washies and your boxes. It's really cute. I wanted to try something different with my Hobonichi. So that's what that is. And then there's a couple more die cuts. And more die cuts, and more die cuts. I got tons of die cuts. Die cuts for days. That is my planner with Manny. Love it. So cute. Okay, so next let's do... This is the penny pages. I got myself a penny pages. So I wanted a B6. I've been looking at a bunch of different B6s. I picked this one right here. I love it. This one is the B6 Undated Vertical Option B, and then I got it with the Scrappy Fox Shop on the top. So you get this little thank you for being part of the planner, and then on the back it's a bunch of collaborations where you can get money off of each one of those companies. And so it's a little thank you from Destiny. Caitlin made me do it because I put that in the notes, because Caitlin really did make me do it. I actually saw her planning in her B6 and I needed one. I just needed it. So TPC haul video, it's got a Caitlin made me do it. Big old live, best worst YouTuber. I love this. Super cute. Here's the next. This is the TPC freebie, and then here's a couple more here. Adorable. So I'm gonna quickly go through this. I don't want to make this video super long because then I won't be able to put it on Instagram. So here's it opened up. It has a really big ring. Here is a little like vellum sheet, and then it starts the pages. So each one of these is divided by one of these. So you can see here, and then the next one. So, and it's undated, so you can start it whenever you want. But here's your monthly view. I am going to make kits for this, by the way, so keep an eye out for that. And then here is your vertical planner weekly view. And then it just goes on until you move to the next month, and then it'll do the same thing again. So you have like a big old notes page, notes section, which I love this. This is a great place for you to kind of plan out what you're going to do the following month. And then here, more places to plan some stuff out, and then you're right back to the month again. So I love this setup, and of course, I love my cover with this. This reminds me of me. Lots and lots of coffee, my hair is a mess, I'm in front of the computer trying to hit deadlines, and I got hashtag Scrappy Fox Shop. Love this. Penny pages. So I highly recommend that you go check out Penny Pages if you're in the need. And she has more than just B6, by the way. She has a whole bunch of different sizes, so you have to, and different versions. You don't have to get coiled. I could go on and on about that, but I'm going to stop and go with what am I gonna do next? Okay, so I did order from Paper Boys and Berry Pie, which is not part of the TPC sale. So if you're only here to see what was in the TPC sale, from here out until I get to the printables is going to be not TPC. So actually, let's start with Cocoa Daisy. So I did order a little add-on to my Cocoa Daisy. I did the unboxing just the other day, and I had forgotten to get these stickers. So I did order them, and they came in, so I was going to show them to you really quick. So the artwork for this month is, this is for November, is Acorn Lane. This is little gnome. Love this artist. And then I want to just show you really quick the sticker kit. So this one here is your, I get the classic planner sticker kit. Lots of washi and alpha. Lots of scripts. Well, not scripts, but little phrases. And then more deco. I'm not going to go. Oh, I keep getting so close to the camera, like, hey, can you see that? Sorry. Here are all of the check boxes and full boxes and half boxes and more full boxes and half boxes. And then this one is that like frosted, clear frosted paper. So you can see that. Super cute. I had missed adding it to my kit, and luckily they had restocked, so I was able to get some else. So I would have been really, really sad, but I wanted to show you I did get that. And now Paper Boys and Berry Pie. This is one of those companies that's outside of the United States, and she does like kind of a strange shipping to keep shipping costs down, where she comes and brings them into the United States. Basically, she does once a month shipping to a postal in the United States, and then from there it ships out to everybody else. So it helps save on her shipping, and it helps save you on your shipping, but it does take a while to get here. So if it's something that you want like right now, you need to plan way ahead. So this is what I bought. Here is the 4x6 kit, and this one is called Apple Picking. Love this. Her little character's name is Kosa, if you are not familiar with this company. And I did get a note from the post office saying that they destroyed my package, which they did, and you can see it on my cover. See that? My package came and it looked like it went through a war. So I'm actually really thankful that it came in one piece, but it was definitely squished. But that is the 4x6 sticker kit, sticker book. And then I got a little sticker kit in here, which is adorable. There's a couple freebies in here as well. Let's get it. So here's a little freebie thing where you can collect flowers to get money off in the shop. And then another, these are such tiny little things. Here's a freebie, which is this one, which is adorable. Then this one is super cute. I'm going to leave it here for a second so you can read it, because this goes really well with the kit. And it helps to kind of explain what's going on in your little kit here. The kit is called Kosa's Thanksgiving. And I will get that out. So he starts off making his little turkey. Everything looks absolutely adorable, perfect. Now he's looking worried. Now he's got a burnt turkey. And instead of the turkey, he's eating the pie. I love this. I love having like a little storyboard of what's going on, because it actually reminds me of a lot of my Thanksgivings when I first started like being the one to do Thanksgiving. You know, when you have your first family one, when you do the cooking, kind of reminds me of that. Pie is always good. Here's your date covers and your weekend. And then I also ordered this here, which is the, what's this one called? Pumpkin Patch Hobonichi Kit. That's this here. Like I said, I'm trying out some different Hobonichi kits. Here's another, I think that was a part of the Thanksgiving kit. And then here is a glossy die cut. So that is what I ordered from, this was my first time ordering from them. I've always, I follow them on Facebook and Instagram, but I've never ordered before because of the whole being worried about, I'm not patient. I am not a patient person at all. So it's really hard for me to wait a long time for stuff to come. That's one of the reasons why I don't order from Coffee Monsters Co. as much as I would like to, but I do have an order coming from them soon. So stay tuned for that. You will see that unboxing as well. And then up next will be the printables, the printable kits from the TPC sale. Okay, so I am back to show you just a couple of the printables that I picked up. So these are a couple of the different companies. This one was one of the ones that was in the TPC sale. This is Planner Pixie Co. She has some awesome, if you have the ability to print and cut your own, she has foil where you can print and cut your own and foil your own, and she has sticker kits, but she also, you can order them to be sent to you, so she can also print and cut them for you and have them sent to you. And then this one, I just picked this one up because I thought it was super cute, and this is Happy Bees. You guys probably already know because I've showed you before, I love Happy Bees. I think Happy Bees only has printable kits, so if you're not able to print your own, I don't think that she has any that she actually prints and sells. She is, I think, I'm not sure, but definitely not in the United States, so it might, printing and cutting is probably the best option with Happy Bees. But this is that kit. I'm going to show it to you really quick because it's so stinking adorable. I love this kit. I can't wait to use it. This is an Erin Condren size. So here's your page 1 with all your full boxes. Here is your weekend banner, some half boxes, quarter boxes, deco. Actually, those are icons. Trackers, checklists, scripts, bottom washi, days of the week, and here's your deco right here. So I love this bottom washi. I think this is just so stinking adorable, and hopefully I was actually in camera for all of that because I just realized when I looked up that I was way up here. So can you see that? On that page and that page. So that was the Happy Bees kit. She's always coming out with new stuff, and it's always cute like this. This is her, definitely her art style, and I really love it. I love her colors. Now for Planner Pixie Co. OMG, guys. Kits and kits and kits and kits and kits. And foiled, if you can't do your own foiling, which I am actually going to start ordering them just from her to have her foil them because I cannot figure out the overlay foiling to save my life. So I bought some clear sticker sheets that were, I could hopefully print and do all this, and it's still, these are so thick. This is more of the clear paper that you would use for putting stickers on like jars, cups, stuff like that. It's really thick. So putting this on top of your actual sheets is going to look kind of funny. So I'm just playing around with this, but I love the way it looks. Look at this. It is just so, it's so pretty. Oh, all you're getting is a flash of the lights. I don't know. Let me see. Maybe I can do it this way so you can see. And so I really can't wait because it's also a glossy clear. I think I'm going to work, maybe the next one I buy will be a matte, like a frosted matte, much thinner. And I don't know, I'm going to keep experimenting. But anyway, you can get your own printable foil overlays, or you can order them from her. And then I picked up this kit, which has a, oh my gosh, like so many pages. It's so many pages. But I love Disney, love Pirates of the Caribbean, and this is her Pirate's Life Disney themed kit. Super adorable. Here's all your full boxes, and this comes with so many pages. I printed them all. Normally I wouldn't, but I wanted to show you how much you get in a printable kit. Here are your checklists, your half boxes, and your quarter boxes. Another full box here, and a bunch of washies, and your date covers. Here are some Monday through Sunday boxes. Bill, do, clean this, do this. I love this. This is so cool. And then these are strips. So these are like headers. This page here has some more boxes and some bow boxes, and oh my gosh, I love this. This one has like a lot of the extras. So you've got your running shoes, your pickup groceries, like all of your little scripts here. How many steps did you do? So if you're into fitness, this is a great workout page. It's got your hydration. You can track your meals. So this is like your, if you're a person that likes to go to the gym, this is a great page for you. Here is some more scripts here and some little icons, and then lots and lots of deco. And then this is like an extra page. So this page has the darker colored skin girl holding the phone. It's got a whole lot of boxes with bows and just really cute. And then this is the other side of this. So this is one whole page. I just cut it in half. So this is your extra page. So that is all of those. And then on these smaller ones here, we have some school scripts here with some little, like you could put your times or your class in there. Here are your icons and your dates, or your numbers, dates. This one is your glitter headers. And then here is one that's like the school one, but for work. So this is all one kit that you can print from Planner Pixie Co. I am so sorry for the abrupt end. I was expecting some more packages so that I could add it onto the back side, but they did not show up on time, so I did want to get this video out so you could see it. Stay tuned for more haul videos coming. I really, really appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you guys have a fabulous week. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.